Good quality data is important to measure our outcomes in our healthcare delivery. It's important to be able to reflect back as a healthcare professional and understand the impact that you're having on your patient's care and know that you're doing the best that you can, or also see where you can improve your delivery of care.
When it becomes a human factor rather than a statistic, I think that was the changing game for me, because it wasn't just about inputting information into the computer, it's about patient care and the quality of care that we give our patients and are able to provide.
We use two platforms. We use POLAR, which has been an excellent tool, and we also use Cubicle as part of our practice management. We're also excited to be part of the Lumos program, which allows us to track our patient journey through the healthcare system and ensure that we are minimising patient admissions and improving patient outcomes. Every single patient that we see is onboarded, and part of that onboarding process involves at least two members of the team. So ordinarily it would be practice nurse and then the doctor, and both encounters have a focus on ensuring that the data is captured and recorded in an appropriate way.
High on my priority list is to make sure that our data is top tier. I do that by logging into POLAR on a regular basis, and when I say regular, I mean probably, if not every day, every other day. And what I'm looking for is to make sure that we're maintaining the quality of data that we have. So I can identify what data has been missed. I can then follow up with that and look in the patient file, check on their AutoMed form and fill in the missing gaps. By maintaining the data at that level, puts a little bit of pressure on all of us to maintain the level. It's something that we discuss regularly at team meetings so that everybody is on board and appreciates the value of great data.
We've had some excellent support from the Central Eastern Sydney PHN, and over the past year we've had many questions and many queries about how to best collect our data, and they've been there to help guide us on the most efficient use of that.